Ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, we go. All aboard.
All aboard.
Video pala.
Hi! Welcome to Disney Sea!
We're going to Disney Sea daw.
Welcome to
Sea.
South Palm
only.
Sea!
Not Disney. Wow.
Wala, ma'am. One way
Okay,
ticket. to the
share our tour si Tito kay first time nito. So this is inspired tour. Chocolate Hills!
So welcome to South Palms Panglao M Gallery, sir, ma'am. In South Palms, in M Gallery po, we highlight culture. The Bohol's culture. So from the wall, ma'am, there is a mural, ma'am. The Chocolate Hills represent nature. Kinaiyahan, ma'am. Inside of the room, ma'am, there is an alphabet written that is being drawn outside, ma'am. Because see, ma'am, the pattern.
How about the old one, the villas? You did destroy
Inside,
it? It's still inside here?
there's no villa here, ma'am.
What happened to the villas in
The
front
villas
of
in
the
South
beach?
Palm.
Yeah.
The original. Where are they?
You mean Oceanica, ma'am?
Oceanica.
This is different, ma'am.
It's
a different.
Yes po.